We are going to perform some self-massage to our gluteus medius muscle with a lacrosse ball, or you could also use a tennis ball. And you may be wondering, where is this glute medius muscle? Well, it's one of your gluteus muscles, so we know it's back here somewhere, but a really easy way to find it is you're just gonna take your hands, put them on your hips, and then your thumbs, you're just gonna drop them down. So drop those thumbs down into the back. So we started like this, hands on hips, drop the thumbs down, right there on each side. That is where your gluteus medius is. And it may even be a little bit tender underneath your thumbs right now, but fret not, we are gonna massage some of that tightness out. And we're gonna use a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. So right where your thumb was, that's where you're gonna put your lacrosse ball, and you're just gonna go up to the wall, put it between you and the wall. And all we're gonna do, these are really small movements. We're just gonna twist side to side. It should feel like a good ache. And then we're gonna go up and down a little. And then side to side and up and down. And you just work some of that tension out, you know, massage it for maybe 15, 30 seconds. And that's it. That is your gluteus medius massage technique with a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball.